Vegas was down here with a spoon inside that peanut butter tub.
So here's the sandwich.
These guys don't know how to cut bread, Jamie.
What we have here, I guess I shouldn't have eaten the food first. Bread, some peanut butter, some bacon, and some banana waiting to go in the griddler.
Yeah.
And we're about to become fat like Elvis.
All right.
I don't think it's supposed to look like that.
It's a little thick because Jason can't slice bread.
You try it.
Believe me, I can slice bread. I make my.
I tell him the bread slicing. You too.
Hey, it was better than his.
It's hot. Don't tell anyone what happened. There we go.
How's the sandwich turn out?
Yeah, pretty good.
RPU3.
Did you?
Let's go. Okay, what do we got here?
We've got white bread from the bakery next door.
This is called the Viva Las Vegas. This is
Elvis' favorite sandwich.
I wonder why I died so young.
Yeah, I don't know. White bread that's grilled. You've got peanut butter, bananas, and apple smoked bacon in
I
there.
don't think I can do it.
All right, Shawnee, pass the plate because we're all going to try it. Take a slice. Come on.
I don't want to take a slice.
Take a piece.
Oh boy.
Looks good.
All right. All right.
Jason, you got a piece?
Here we go. Oh boy.
See what I'm talking about? The bread?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a bread problem.
Bread problem.
I got a bunch of listeners calling me saying if you want to do it right, you got to do it with Wonder.
Oh, that's disgusting.
No. Not bad.
Oh.
Sean, what do you think? A banana Eve? Crunchy?
It's really banana.
Oh my god.
It's
Crunchy
actually,
on the outside.
yeah, it's actually
The bacon adds a nice little smoky.
It's actually really pretty good.
Guy Fieri over here. Man versus food.
Huh? Good.
Yeah, I need a little more bacon on my piece, but
Here you go.
Especially I screwed up the bread.
it's delicious.
I think that if Jason had screwed up the bread.
Why don't we talk about you bringing in your moldy bread? Why don't we start there?
Hey, Don, you jumped to judgment. Did you actually taste all the flavors?
I'm trying to eat another bits of bread right now to get rid
That was
of
good.
the bacon with the peanut butter. That's horrible.
What don't you like with that?
Eyes are water.
What don't you like? There's nothing not to like there.
Yeah, there's bread.
Peanut butter.
Oh man! But
Only
you
thing
got-
that'd be better is to dip
but
the
you-
whole sandwich in chocolate.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I love that sandwich. Anything with bacon on it.